Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Book of Meme, okay, BOME. This asset has had a bit of a pullback, okay, it's had a bit of a pullback over the last sort of couple of days or so, and that's absolutely fine because most of crypto has, okay. So I'm just doing this video just to give you holders a bit of reassurance here, because the project's not over, it's not going to die. It's at a $449 million market cap. That's a lot of cheddar in the game, guys. So it's going to be a BOME update, and then we're going to be looking at some other pre-sale projects as well, some super interesting stuff. So BOME, from a just a broad perspective to start us off, as I said, market cap 449 million here, and over the last day you can see we have essentially banged it up around 22%. Okay, so 22% to the upside here, which is bullish. Obviously we did have a pretty rough pullback here, but a bullish day nonetheless. Green is what we like to see, right? So let's jump to the chart and let's actually dissect this in a bit more depth here, because the technical analysis can really come into play here, guys. Super important. So overall it's looking really bad. Okay, that's a given. What the first thing that we would want to do here is a lovely trend line, getting that bullish momentum to the upside. Super easy basic stuff here, guys. And then we're going to be drawing in something like that. That will create a falling wedge scenario, guys. Falling wedges, they tend to usually break to the upside, okay? So essentially what we're looking for here for BOME is going to be a very strong macro trade here, okay? And that is going to be something along the lines of this. And it will be bringing us up to bull market prices here, or bull market targets that we've been through in previous videos. So yeah, just gonna get rid of that price range for a second, and as you can see that what did I just delete? Oh right, yeah. So we'll keep the volume weighted ATR bands on there. But as you can see, a massive pullback over the last few days or so. I mean the last sort of 5 days here. Massive bit of resistance coming through at 1 cent there. Currently near enough, just over 0.5% in terms of the pullback there. It was a very aggressive here, guys. Over 50% to the downside here, primarily because of Bitcoin. So there's nothing too crazy to worry about there. But what I would expect here is a bounce, okay? Because you can see the momentum from this zone has been pretty strong previously, and the markets are sort of trying to level out right now. As I said, BOME today currently up 22% overall, not looking too bad. I would expect a bit more, okay? I would expect a bit more from where we are now. Probably will be another 10% move over the next day or so, just to sort of correct this sort of move here, guys. And what I mean by that, and if you guys are newer to trading, we can't just go up, okay? So I've just inverted the chart, and you can see when you see it going parabolic like this to the upside, usually it dumps back down. It's exactly the same when it dumps, it usually pumps back up, right? It's the same sort of pressure from both sides. And if we are looking at basically momentum to the downside, there is a very strong momentum trend lines, which we're pretty much just about to hit. Stochastic is super low on the daily as well, and money flow is coming out, but it needs to come back in because it's been coming out for so long here, right? So it's kind of inevitable that we do see a bit of a move to the upside here. So rest assured, BOME holders, you're okay, you're in safe hands. I do think this will have a swift recovery. Now, talking bull market targets for this asset, I have got them drawn in. I mean, the ambitious target is up at around 7 cents there. But I'd say the first one, 1.5, second one, 0.029, and then the third and final one, 0.07. So note them down. These are the targets I'm looking for here for this next alt season, which I do think is going to start towards September, October sort of time there. Now, moving on to a project that is kind of like Book of Meme, and it basically includes all of the memes here, and it's called the Meme Games. These guys have just started a pre-sale, guys, and full disclosure, I'm involved with this. I jumped in, I got some bags. I'm super bullish on this. I do think this is it's got some pretty strong potential here because it's including all the memes. It's themed around the Olympic Games, and obviously that's a narrative at the moment. And yeah, they're in a pre-sale phase, and they have raised $340,000. Okay, and if you do want to get involved with this, guys, Ethereum, USDT, Card, or BNB. Now, looking at this project, it's super interesting. It's sort of a GameFi. You pick your you pick your meme, and then it runs races and stuff, and you basically get rewards for it winning the races. It's a play-to-win ecosystem, which I do think has got really strong potential overall. and you win more tokens out of the tokens that you hold. Okay, so yeah, overall pretty cool. They've got leaderboards, and yeah, I think I just sort of nailed the concept here. And yeah, some funny graphics overall. But yeah, definitely want to check out, guys. These guys have nailed it. And I do see some very strong potential here when they do launch this asset. And as I said, you can get involved. 22 hours and 4 minutes left before we see a price increase. Ethereum, USDT, CARD, or BNB. If you want to get involved with this project. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. Make sure you go and drop a like on the video. Just hit that little like button down there, or down there, whatever it is. And it helps us out tremendously in terms of the algo. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the sub. We're uploading every single day here on Crypto News. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.